So good evening student. Let's let's learn a more properties. So guys, after this one we will going to learn the another property that is called image position, or we can say that a background image position. Right now you can check I created one table over here. Do you see? This is the one table I have. One table tag open, table tag close. We have to the one row, second row and the third row, and inside I have to the two columns, and then I created a separately style.css. You can check I already link that css also, and then after I use the css properties like I apply to the border for my table, th and td. I gave the height, width and text alignment into the center. When you did these things, what exactly the result will be? You can check I have the one table. I gave to the headings, then again data, and then you can check over here the height and width. Suppose I have this example as a table. Now what I want to do, let me apply to the background image first, which one we done in the last class. If you are not created the table, you can pause the video and you can check the things, or you can write the things. Okay, so you can check over here, you can pause the video, create one table, then after add to the css, and then after let me explain to the today's work like background color. No, not color, I want to add to the background image over here. Inside of the url I'm going to add to the /background image. Control S saved. You can check over here right now with output my background image are going to repeat, isn't it? Now what I'm going to do, first I will be putting inside of that background image is no repeat. Okay, so background repetition, no repeat. Control S saved. Right now you can check back again over here. You can check. Okay, so sir, why this over here is coming and again is over here also? Because of the reason, you can check the things I apply for the th, td and th and td purpose. You are all background image. So I will be do one thing. I will be take these things removing and I'll create, or I'll apply for the table purpose separately. Okay, I want to apply for the table purpose separately these things. You can check over here. Okay, let me go over here. You can check background image, then again background repeat. You can see right now I have only the image for my I can say the table purpose directly, not for to the each particular td and th. Okay, so right now I want to change the position of image. What we are learning right now, we are learning background image position property. Okay, so if you want to be understand what we are learning over here, we will going to learn the background image position. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. We need to apply one property that is called background image position. Okay, and then after you can write what position you have for you want for your background purpose. Suppose I will be right over here, I want a 50% my background. You can check right now it's coming to the directly into the 50%, means it's travel here to here. When I said that I want 100%, then it will be going to touch in this side. Did you get it that? So this things is possible if you apply to the background image position, that image will be going to move out how you want. Okay, now after this one, okay, after when we finish this one, I have the some extra properties regarding to your I can say regarding to your table. Let's understand that one also. Let me pause the video a little bit. Okay, okay, sorry for disturbance, there are little bit problem, somebody's are came, so that's why the recording is stopped. Okay, I pause the recording. Now see over here, I want to be teach a more background properties, background properties not, sorry, I want to be teach more table properties, so you can understand what you can able to do with the tables. Okay, so when you done that, what I'm going to do over here, first let me remove to the all thing. Okay, I'm going to remove all thing. When you don't have the css, okay, when you don't have the css, see over here how exactly my table is looking, isn't it, or how exactly my table is visible. You can check over here, it is just a normal text, there will be no any border, no nothing, when you have only the html. Now when you apply to the css, right now what I'm going to do over here, I will be going to create over here the border. So I can write over here table. I want to apply for table purpose border. I want to apply for table heading purpose as a border. I want to apply for table data purpose as a border. You can see there are the table, th and the td. I want to apply the border for that. So you can check border. Then you can write how much you want. Like I want to be a 3-pixel border. That much is very thick. And then after I can write it should be the solid. Then you can change the color also. For if you want to be a red color, you can apply the red color also. You can check if you can go back again, say it's a red color are coming, isn't it? It's depend upon which color you want, but the many times you know that the color should be the black only. If you are not writing any color, then it will be same like that, means it will be only the black. Okay, if you are not writing black, by default is the black one only, because our page color is white. So definitely whatever we are writing in the page, by default it will be a black. Then next thing, what we will be going to do over here, suppose now you know that over here when you can go see, there are the the two borders are coming, like one border, like one box, then again this is another box. So suppose whenever you saw to the table, there are only the single lines are there, right? It is not a double lines are there. So if you want to remove that you can remove that using by one property. That property name is I think so it's a border. Again, I want to go inside of the border, but not only border. Border, I don't remember that property. I can figure out over here. Okay, this one, border column space. Okay, or I don't know what we can call that, call space. Okay, so maybe I'm pronouncing wrong, please understand this thing. So we need to be a put over here, I want to be a call spam. Right now when you save these things, and if you can go back your what we can say, the table, you can see there are not the two borders are there. Right now see over here only the single border are there. Right now let me show you again back. If you are removing a border, this thing, okay, control S save. Now check it how it's look like. So it is the two borders are coming, but if you want a one border only, you can write this property, and then after it will be only the one particular line is coming. So it is very important. Now after this, after when I done that, let's add to the more property. Right now I have the table, so that table purpose I want to be a width only. I want to apply for the table purpose properly the width. So I can say I want a width should be, I want 100% width, means my computer are starting from in this position to over here. This is I can say to the 100% width. Okay, so control S saved. You can go back and check to the thing. See right now it's taking to the 100% your width, isn't it? And then after we can write also to the thing, if you want to be increase the height of your we can say the height of your table heading, that also we can increase. Like let's go over here. Suppose I want to increase a table purpose, or not table purpose, I want to increase the height for th and the td separately. td, okay, then brackets open, bracket close. I can say okay, sorry, by mistake I wrote over here. I want to be right inside of this. So height will be suppose let's consider as a 70 pixel. I think so it's enough. Let me check also back by myself. You can check. See over here right now it's look much better. So before that, right now your table is look much better also and awesome also, isn't it? But sir, you can see that whenever you are writing to the table heading is directly coming inside in the middle. Okay, so whatever the, if you are using to the table heading, it will be come into the middle only, right? Okay, then after this one we can add to the more properties. Like if I want to be a text into the center, like I want this all text should be the center, so you can apply to the center property. Right now you have to, these are all are the tds, right? td, the Peter, Lois, then again these names whatever we have, this I want to be a center, I don't want to be a left hand side. So we can write inside of one property td and th, that is called, I can say, very simple property, text alignment into the center. Then what happens, these things will be coming into the center. Did you get it? And if I don't want to be a center, I want to be a left hand side, that also you can able to do. Right now I don't want left hand side, I want to apply to the right hand side. Okay, right hand side I want to apply, so you can check. Right now my all properties into the right hand side. But why the table heading also